Right, thank you, Brett. Grant has all your weather today.
Morning, team. Yeah, just watching a little bit of the bush television, the old fire, eh? You just can throw your eyes into that thing and just watch it forever, couldn't you? Yeah, just look at that thing go. Yeah, we're at the Ringer camp this morning, yeah, having a bit of a bushman's breakfast at Undara Experience. We were due to be back in Cairns, a little while ago, but a little bit of rain over Cairns at the moment, so we thought, well, let's not go to Cairns and have a look at the island. Let's stay here at the Undara Experience and just sort of hang with the real people at the Ringers camp. So beautiful scenes to show that we didn't get the chance to show you today. We know you love the Lava Caves, so there's so much more to this place as we talk about the rain that's falling over the country, including in WA. Wettest start to winter in 6 years. 100 mils have fallen in the last couple of days, more to come in the next couple as well, as we have a look at the forecast for you. Good morning. Maybe in half an hour I might give you another poem that I wrote before called Don't Wear Rubber Converse Next to the Fire. It's a ripper yarn.
We can hardly wait.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you, Grant.